We're looking now at an attractive, oversized, early 20th century city plan of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. It's got some pictorial elements. Numerous buildings are depicted in a bird's eye or profile manner, which adds a bit of a cartoon effect to the plan. It's overprinted in red to show transportation lines and the various train stations. There are different versions of this map. If we flip it over, what we'll see here is there's an extensive name register, an index to all the streets. There's some advertising on these two panels here. These fold lines are original. And if we wanted to date this version of the map, we would use this cartobibliography here, which is the standard reference work on the subject of city plans of Amsterdam in the period that Mark Hameleers covers here, which is 1866 to the year 2000. So we go to where we find this plan. And what's interesting in here is we see that it was issued between 1912 and 1943. The first edition is 1912. There's the second edition there. And here we have the third edition of 1923. And Mr. Hameleers tells us that in the lower right corner is the printer's code of 233, which indicates March of 1923. And so indeed, on our version, we do see that tiny little code right down here. And he also does mention that the firm of Allert de Lange, which we see in the title box at the top right, that's now attributed to that firm. And also he mentions this, the appearance of this inset at the upper left, which is now appears on this third estate of the plan. And it's overall in very clean condition. There is a repair done up here, very well done here, with like a tissue paper, it appears of some kind, there was a small little area tear here. So there's that, but that blends in visually. It's easy to overlook or miss it, and it remains a nice example of an uncommon plan, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.